Welcome back class 10th. We'll continue exercise 7.1, example 7. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9, right? Point on x-axis, if we read, then for every point y equal to 0, yes or no? See, so we are adding now. For any point y equal to 0 on x-axis, so that point must be x, 0. So this point is equidistant from this point and this point. Let us draw diagram for understanding. See, point B and point C. Both are equidistant from A. So we are making it AB equal to AC. We are adding AB equal to AC, okay? Then we know distance formula, x2 minus x1 bracket square. You can write directly x minus 2 bracket square plus 0 minus plus 5 bracket square. So under root x minus 2 bracket square plus 5 square. This formula is known to us. Equal to, see, x minus plus 2 bracket square and 0 minus 9 square means that will be plus 9 square. Clear? Because negative square is positive. Now see, square on both sides, because square root is there, remove the square root sign. So square on both sides, we get x minus 2 bracket square plus 25 equal to x plus 2 bracket square plus 81. Open bracket please. X square minus 4x plus 4 plus 25 equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 81. This expansion a plus b bracket square is known to all of you, okay? Now see. Further, see, x square on both sides getting cancelled. So collect terms containing x on one side and constants on other side. So minus 4x plus 4x becomes minus 4x equal to, see, 81 plus 4, 85. So this 25 plus 4, 29 minus 29. Clear? So you are getting minus 8x equal to 56. So x equal to 56 upon minus 8. So x equal to minus 7. So x coordinate is minus 1. That is why that point is minus 7, 0. Okay, student? Please see, important is this and this diagram and this. Clear? Now we will see in the book. Now we will start example 8. Please see in the book. Find the value of y for which distance between the points 2, minus 3 and 10, y is 10 units. Means PQ equal to 10. Clear? Now I am writing C PQ. You are given PQ equal to 10. Put the formula of distance, that is, see, under root 10 minus 2, 8 square plus y minus plus 3 bracket square equal to 10. Now square root is there, so remove square root by squaring. So squaring both sides, so we get it. See, 8 square is 64 plus y plus 3 bracket square equal to 100. Squaring both sides, you must understand this. Okay, or write down squaring on both sides. Now open this bracket. 64 goes this side. Equal to 64, 100 minus 64. Open this bracket now. Y square plus 6y plus 9 equal to, yes, you got it, 36. Clear? Now see, open this bracket. Y square plus 6y plus 9 equal to 36. Now bring this 36 this side. Y square plus 6y plus 9 minus 36 equal to 0. You got it. Y square plus 6y minus 27 equal to 0. Now split. Factors of minus 27. 9 3s are 27. So sum should be 6. So make 3 negative, 9 positive, because product should be negative. We have learned this. Okay, so 9 and minus 3. So we are adding now y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 equal to 0. Clear? So see this now. You got y common, y plus 9. Minus 3 common, y plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, see, both are negative, so minus sign common. So now y plus 9 is common. What is left? Y is left. Minus 3 is left, equal to 0. So y equal to minus 9 or y equal to 3. So you got these two values. Okay, so q can be y, that is, q can be 10, minus 9 or q can be 10, 3. This is your example number 8. Clear, students? Please understand, watch the example properly, and any doubt you can ask me. See you. Now students will take example 10. See, I am reading in book, I am showing you in the book. Look here. Find relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the points 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. So we will find relation between x and y. Both are known. Let us see now. Equidistance, I told you. Diagram direct draw karo. What is first point? That is 3, 6. And what is second point? Minus 3, 4. 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. That point is equidistant from both points. Yes or no? So that is xy. Clear? Let us name ABC. So you got AB square, AB equal to AC. Equidistance means distance is equal. Clear? Now distance formula you know. X minus 3 bracket square plus y minus 6 bracket square equal to under root x minus plus 3 bracket square plus y minus 4 bracket square. Yes or no? Now see better, square root on both sides, square on both sides. Square on both sides. Okay, we got x minus 3 bracket square plus y minus 6 bracket square. See, x minus 3 bracket square plus y minus 6 bracket square equal to x plus 3 bracket square plus y minus 4 bracket square. Clear students? Open bracket, see. You are knowing this, okay? You must know, please. A plus b bracket square, a minus bracket square, a minus bracket, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Clear? See, x square plus 6x plus 9, again plus y square minus 8y plus 16. See here, x square cancel, y square cancelled, right? Again see, you will see some numbers are cancelled, plus 9 cancelled. Clear? So only x and y terms are remaining. Now let us see, we will bring terms containing x on one side and terms containing y on other side. See, we got, or we will bring terms containing variables on one side, minus 6x minus 12y. Okay, see now this is plus 36 equal to 6x minus 8y plus 16. Clear? Okay, now see, please bring this term this side, minus 6x minus 12y minus 6x plus 8y, okay, plus 36 minus 16 equal to 0. See now this you got minus 12x minus 12 plus 8 minus 4y. Okay, so 36 minus 16, 20 equal to 0. You got now see 4 is common. 4 is common. Okay, equal to 0. It's very clear. You got see, from this you got minus 3x minus y equal to minus 5, or remove this minus sign, so 3x plus y equal to 5. This is relation. Clear? Or maximum we can write 3x equal to 5 minus y. 3x equal to 5 minus y. This is what final answer. That's all. Please try to understand, watch the video 2 times and solve yourself. Okay students, see you. Now next examples topics will continue in next video.